everyone, welcome to this video on how you can make a good 90 to 100 pips on this particular candlestick strategy I'm about to show you in about a minute. So before I begin, I would love to show you my Telegram channel in which I share signals and my trades. This is one of the trades with the candlestick strategy I used. This is one of the trades I initiated on, was it last week Friday. That was, I can't really remember the date, but last week Friday, prior to this date on which I'm recording this video right now. So this was this trade, and this was the result. It came out fine, and I actually took this trade. I want to show you guys the proof. I actually took this trade. That's Friday, but I didn't enter on Friday. I actually entered on Tuesday Monday, because market had already closed. So this was the trade I had redrawn. So this was the trade, everything entered for me, and once it came in, 157 plus my 148, it came out the way it was, $300. I redrew everything. So if this is the first time you're joining us on this YouTube channel, you could just give us a like and hit that subscribe button so you could be receiving more videos from me on secret strategies we could use to earn money on the forex market. So let's dive right into the strategy. So this is it. This is one of those groups. This is actually the groups where I drop the signals, and this is another one where I give a reason for why I do certain things. Trading candlesticks on H4 time frame. So this is the candlesticks. Just want you guys to look at this candlestick over here. It shows two bearish candles, then a blue candle. This is in the downtrend, and two bullish candles and a bearish candle that is in an uptrend. So whenever you see this kind of thing on your chart, a down candle, then a blue candle, not like a bullish engulfing. I'll show you what it looks like actually on the chart. But when you see something like this, I would advise you just go into the markets, especially on AED/JPY. And this thing works like, out of 100%, I could assure you it works like 70%. Imagine if you try this thing 10 times, it's 8 times, or 7 times it works. All I just want you to do is to manage your account well, do your risk management, and you let the profits run. I'm showing you that this trade could give you over 105 pips, but I would advise you take a 90 pip take profit, or 80 pips or thereabouts, so that you know you're always going to be constantly in profit. So this is one of the candlestick patterns here. I gave a definition here that these candlesticks are strong reversal candlestick patterns. Some of the candlesticks will have wicks. It may not look like what it is here. Some of them will have wicks, sorry. And this is another here. This one is actually quite risky. I wouldn't advise a whole lot of people to take this trade, but if you have the mind, I don't really have it, because it's my capital and stuff. But if you have the mind and you're practicing risk management, you can go into this trade. Why me, I personally don't go into this trade, because sometimes the candlestick can be, this bearish or bullish candlestick can be very long, and if you want to check the risk to reward, it's not really beneficial. So I don't really go into that, as it can be very dangerous. Imagine the market going back on your trade. You could cry. So this is the description here. These are also strong reversal candlesticks, but it can also act as a continuation candle in the direction it is trading on. So be very careful when trading this candlestick. Okay everyone, so let's go straight to the reason why everyone is here and the candlestick. But all you got to see how it works on the chart, so I'm gonna do exactly that. So here's my trading view. I use trading view for my chart analysis. You could also use your platforms for chart analysis if you wish. So I'll be showing you guys the candlestick pattern I use for my trading. So I have good risk reward, and I know the percentage I'm risking on my account. So let me just go back to that page so that we will see for the last time what we're in here for. This is a candlestick we're looking after. Bearish candle is a blue candle, bull candle, a bearish candle. So if you use your eyes, I hope what's happening. Okay, sorry, let's just load. If you look at this chart here, if you look carefully, do you notice something like that? If you notice something like that, please just leave a like button. Leave a like on this video, sorry. If you notice it, let me know. Just keep a like, keep liking. But here is it. This is one of it. This is one. And here's another here. Now remember what I said, it may not be exactly as it is on that photo. It may have wicks, some may not have wicks. So this is it. And the good thing about this candlestick pattern is you're willing to risk a certain amount to earn good profits. And the thing about it is if you're going to use these candlestick patterns, you don't really have to bother so much about support and resistance zones. But if you're going to use support and resistance zones, though, they too help for extra confirmation on your trades. So this was the last trade I placed that Friday. Remember the trade I showed you guys? This was the trade I placed that Friday, and I had over 100 pips. It was in 90 pips. I had 90 pips that day. 90 pips that day, but I came out of the market at this zone. I came out of the market at this zone because when the market went down, when I got into the trade, it went down and it did this. It first of all did this, then it retraced. So when it retraced, I held because I was in this candlestick pattern. I usually just risk a certain percentage. If the market doesn't hit my stop loss, then it has to move to my take profit. So it didn't hit my stop loss. I just decided to hold. So I was like, if this market is going to come back to this zone over here, still this same place I'm pointing at here, it's going to come back to that zone, I am going to take profit. So the market did, and I took profits. Remember the trade? You just go back a couple of minutes back, you'll see the trade. So I use this particular candlestick to trade, and I have good returns on all my trades. So this is just one trade. I didn't have that much return, and it wasn't really, I didn't feel so nice about that. So but I'm happy at the end of it all that I did what I did. So this was another candlestick over here, shorting at this point. I kept my stop loss above room for spread, and I got stopped out. Now that's the thing about forex trading. No one is ever 100% accurate. So we get stopped out, and we keep on being consistent. When you're being consistent, the day you're going to have your candlestick pattern or whatever strategy you're using, it is going to give you back all your losses and room for profits too. So I got stopped out here. I don't mind. I knew for sure that someday I'm going to get my profit back, and it came, and I got my profit back here. So this was another candlestick. This was another pattern here. This zone, blue candles, blue candles. You have sorry, let me just highlight that. You have blue candles and a bearish candle. I entered the market here. When I just see these kind of things, I go into the market. Because I'm willing to risk that. Yeah. Room for spread, room for spread, room for spread. 100 pips. Most times I aim for 100 pips because I know for sure that if I'm going to be keeping this kind of stop losses of about 20 to 30 pips, I have to keep very, very big room for my take profit, and I aim for 100 pips so that in case the day I have my profit, I can gain back all my losses here. So that is it. So this market didn't give us my 100 pips, and I was stopped out. I didn't mind. That was my second stop out in the trade, so I didn't really care. I just knew for sure that someday it was going to come. But before this time, I already had profits in most of my trades. So let me show you guys another one. So this was another trade. Remember, bearish candles, then a blue candle, and they got into the market here. Went long, room for spread, 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips, and boom, markets gave us 100 pips. So this was one of those profit trades, and I'll show you guys another one. Sorry, oh, phone was still charging. I'll show you guys another one. So this is another trade here. Blue candles, a red candle. I go into the markets. Shorts. As I said, no support and resistance on my part. Just straight candlestick patterns. I'm risking 2%. So yeah, 100 pips. Are you giving me 100 pips? Here, it gives me 100 pips and profits, and I'm out of the trade. So that is just it. Now you have to understand that this candlestick works, yeah, and it will also give you losses. But just be rest assured that when it's time for profit, you're going to be having your profit. I'm going to show you guys something that, yeah, you are not the owners of the markets, but you could also be a profitable trader on the market. So this was the candle, bearish, then blue. Boom, I got into the market. Immediately I got into the market, I got stopped out. I don't know, probably there was a news that day, I don't know. I got stopped out, so market didn't give me my 100 pips, and I still didn't mind. I just waited, so just in case I saw the candlestick again, I'll go into the market. So it came out again. At this point, I got in, and market had gone up. So when I saw it going up, I left the place. I wasn't bothered about so much. I just left the place. I was like, okay, this market is gonna give me back my 100 pips. I mean, it's gonna give me 100 pips, and I didn't really care. So news came out again still that same day, and I got stopped out. That is trading. But at the end of it all, market gave us 100 pips on this trade, and it was a good setup, and everything came out well. So that is it, guys. That's the candlestick for you. It works, and I want each and every one of us to backtest, and you see that it's gonna be working for you too. So here's another one. One more pattern. This is the bearish candles, then the blue candle. So I go into the market, long here. Where's the market here? 100 pips, 100 pips, busy 100 pips, 100 pips, over 100 pips, and immediately we got into the market. Market started going up, and that was it. So imagine this. This is one of our profitable trades. This was 100 pips. This was a loss trade, and this was a loss trade, which were actually supposed to be profitable trades, but because of news, no problem. Profitable trade, but loss trades. So this was two losses, and how much did I lose on each? I lost here 3, I lost here 2. That was about 5%, and I had here over 100. So I am with 5% profit of my capital, and I got it back here about 100. Sorry. So now I am with 15% because this trade is 100. That will be 10%. 10 plus this previous, that's 5, 15%. Then we had another 15, another 100, and that is over 25%. So I want you guys to try it out. So imagine this was a loss. So we lost here, we lost 2, we lost here 2. That's just 4. That's 20% of the account, and we got back our profit here. Got back our profit here over 100. Yeah. Got back our profit here. Remember that I told you I took a trade, so, and I gave you the reason why I took the trade, and I got back my profit. So my account is growing. So it's just about you being consistent on the market and not being afraid. Please do not be afraid on the forex market. When you see your setup, go into the market and allow the market do its course. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more. I'll be doing analysis on gold, so if you want me to show you guys a video on gold, please just show your encouragement. Thank you.